How this goes. Did I forget who I am? And how this goes. Only heaven knows if you can truly win in the midst of a world that's golden. How am I up?
Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with another video. Today we're going to get into this hair that I'm currently rocking. So today we are featuring Eayon Hair. Shout out to Eayon Hair for sending me over this wig. So let's get into this look. So the unit that I'm rocking today is a 14-inch bob wig. This is a 13x4 frontal wig. This is a transparent lace and it is a wavy texture. So the color of this unit is T1B/613. The T1B is for the root. I have a dark brown root that fades into a 613 blonde. When I put this wig on, I was like, yeah, see, I like to do different. I love different looks. I love changing the hairstyles. I love changing my hairstyles frequently. I love going from red, blonde, black, yeah. Okay, love it. Real drastic. So this, once I put it on, I knew that I did not want a center part. I think mainly because of the technique they used to color this wig. Don't get me wrong, I do like it. It's not a harsh. I've had a wig similar to this. I'm not going to say who it's from, but I wasn't feeling it because they did such a harsh color job. Like the root was sharp and it was blunt. They did not fade it into the rest of the hair. So what I like about the root of this is they faded it out into the 613, but still I knew that I wanted a side part. So this is one of those 13x4 frontals in which you don't have a full parting space once you get to the sides. Majority of your 4 inches back is in the center. So I couldn't go as deep on, like as deep as the side part that I wanted. I really would have preferred to go super deep because I want a majority of the hair to fall over into the face. I just think that would look so fire. But nonetheless, this look, it's a look. It's still a look. So we went with a side part, and then of course you know that I absolutely love to do beach waves when it comes to bobs. It's just something about an effortless messy bob that just gets me every single time, especially if the bob has a little bit of length to it. It's just, I love it. So that's what we did. At first I used the flat iron, and then off camera I went in with the curling iron because I rather curl it and then use my flat iron to press out my ends to get that beach wave look. And that's what we did to achieve this look. The unit fit really well. As far as this lace, I did have to tint my lace because it is a transparent lace, so it was giving white when I put it down. So I tinted the lace. I used the color medium brown in the even lace tint, which is always in the description box. But I used that. I did use a little bit of concealer to clean up my part. I did very little plucking to this hair because I did bleach the knots when I received it. You know the deal, regular, bleach the knots. I did some tweezing, but I really love this look. Like, I haven't done 613 in a minute, and the last 613 wig that I had, I wanted to do dark root. And like, let me just tell y'all, I be having so many ideas for these wigs, but I be going through so many wigs and so many videos that I rarely get a chance to go back and like revamp and do what I want to do. So I didn't get a chance to do the dark root on that wig, but this is exactly what I envisioned when I was thinking like dark root. Maybe a little lighter, maybe not as dark brown, but still, nonetheless, love it. Eayon Hair, you did your thing when it comes to this wig. Yes, you did. Shout out to y'all. So shout out to Eayon Hair for sponsoring today's video. Shout out to y'all for watching this video. I have a lot of interesting looks coming up, so stay tuned. And if you have any questions, drop that in the comments. Discount codes will be down below if I have any. And I will see you in the next video.
I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. You come around, yeah. You ease my mind, you make everything feel fine. Worry about those times, I'm way too numb, yeah. It's way too dumb, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time. I need the hype, throw that to the side, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. When you're not around me, you throw that to the side, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. 713 through the 21, yeah, I'm riding. Why they on me? Why they on me? I'm flying, yeah. Sipping low key. I'm sipping low key at Onyx. Find a rider. When I pull it up right beside you, pop star Lil Mariah. When I text kick game wireless, throw a stack on the Bible. Never Snapchat or took Molly. She fall through plenty, her and all her guineas. Yeah, we at the top floor, right there off Duini. Yeah, oh no, I can't fuck with y'all. Yeah, when I'm with my squad, I cannot do no wrong. Yeah, saucing in the city, don't get misinformed. Yeah, they gon' pull up on you. Yeah, we gon' do some things you can't relate. Yeah, cause we from a place you cannot stay. Or you can't go, or I don't know. Or back the fuck up off. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. You come around, yeah. You ease my mind, you make everything feel fine. Worry about those times, I'm way too numb, yeah. It's way too dumb, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time. I need the hype.
I wanna press my, I wanna green like, I wanna be like, I wanna press my line, yeah. I wanna take that ride, yeah. I'm gonna press my line. I wanna green like, I wanna be like, I wanna press my mama dear, spare your feelings. I relive a moment, feeling more residual. I can fire the building, burn the building, take your bitch, rebuild the building just to fuck some. I can justify my love for you, I touch the sky, forgot to stop the dead wall.
Put the pussy on the pedestal. Put the pussy on the high horse. That pussy to die for. That pussy to die for.
Eat a pipe or pick the peppers. I can pick your brain and put your heart together. We depart the shady parts and party hard. The diamond shows the cool forever. My best shot just might shoot forever like.
I get those goosebumps every time.